Being a nurse practitioner, it's a calling. I work at Tri-Cities Community Health at Pasco, Washington. I was recruited to come to the Tri-Cities. Beautiful environment. There's 300 beautiful days of sunlight a year. The patient population is vastly interesting. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo está? Our niche is sort of to be able to take care of those high-risk, high-need patients.
Levanta hombros.
I love my patient population. About 70% of our population speaks Spanish only. Learning that Spanish really helps enhance that interpersonal relationship between myself and the patient. The way the Nurse Corps works is that the initial service commitment is 2 years. I'm almost a year into the initial commitment.
So mucho gusto, amigo.
The providers that we have here from the Nurse Corps are a vital part of Tri-Cities Community Health. Our mission is improving our community's health, and these providers come with that mission. It's already ingrained in them. They have a passion for it.
Some of the rewards of the Nurse Corps, besides obviously the monetary amount that they're going to be providing, include the selection of the facility that you're at. One of the biggest things that appealed to me when I interviewed at Tri-Cities Community Health was the broad diversity of services that they provided. A patient can come in and then we can look to see if they need dental, or we have an optometrist upstairs.
1 or 2.
We also have behavioral health services. I can go down the hall, grab one of those counselors, and then they can see that patient on that exact same day. The more services that can be provided in one location, the easier it is for the patients to achieve all of their healthcare goals and needs. What I really enjoy about the integrative and interprofessional experiences is that you've got the relationships that you're forming with other professionals. I'm working with pharmacists and MDs and behavioral health.
Kind of got that scoliosis. Yeah.
None of us are going to be experts at everything. My knowledge is limited to what I learned in school and what research I've done. And so it enables me to learn from professionals who have other expertises and have really, really broad knowledge in their specific fields, and use them and glean information from them and learn from them to be a better provider.
Es muy importante. Come mucho frutas y verduras.
Oh, I love when the patients are having really great health outcomes, because it does. It makes you feel really, really good that you're like making a difference in somebody's life. Nurse Corps has enabled me to do a lot of things that I wouldn't have. I can be successful in my life. I can own a house. I can feel really proud of where I'm going in my life.
Here's the website.
If you're in school and you're trying to figure out what you want to do when you get out, really consider a federally qualified health center. This job is about putting somebody else in front of you, enhancing somebody else's life. And I gain so much worth from helping others. And really, that's what healthcare is about.